Welcome to this tutorial on loading STDF data into JMP using YieldOptiX. I will guide you through the process of efficiently importing STDF files, whether you are working with single or merge data files. To begin, navigate to the YieldOptiX tab from the main toolbar and select Load STDF/CSV. This opens a menu where you can choose to import single data files or merge multiple files into a single table. Both options allow you to select multiple files at once. When importing single data files, after selecting your STDF files, a progress window appears, showing how fast records are processed per second. YieldOptiX uses parallel and asynchronous processing to maximize efficiency. It also supports zip containers with CSV files, avoiding repetitive parsing by working directly with pre-processed data. Additionally, the loader supports common compression formats for STDF files, including BZ2, LZMA, and gzip. For large imports, you can silence the progress window and immediately start working with already imported tables while the remaining files continue loading in the background. If a file is damaged, YieldOptiX includes a recovery mode that attempts to repair it, but only when it is safe to do so without compromising data integrity. Since this process requires extra computing resources, it may take longer to complete. Once the import is finished, results are stored in an efficient matrix format, with units and test limits automatically assigned to column properties. By default, session details and unit information are stored as nominal data, while test results are treated as continuous numeric data, ensuring smooth navigation. Both the sequence of the rows and columns reflects the test flow from converted STDF, allowing for a structured and intuitive data analysis experience. For increased visibility and enhanced data analysis, the YieldOptiX parser delivers an additional column corresponding to the prober touchdown number, enabling a deeper dive into step map-related issues. Your data is now ready for visualization, and you can immediately start creating your favorite JMP charts with correctly applied limits and units for precise analysis. If you need to work with multiple STDF files, selecting Merge Data Files from the Load STDF/CSV drop-down menu will combine them into a single JMP table. After selecting your files, the Load Progress window appears again. Once the files are loaded, clicking Review Spec Limits allows you to compare different limit sets associated with each of the files. You will see lower and upper spec limits from each file, along with additional columns indicating whether the tests are present or not. This feature is especially useful for test program development, ensuring that only intended changes are applied while helping you verify which tests were added or skipped. If needed, you can also merge limits into a single limit set and apply them to the merged tables. YieldOptiX also provides flexible settings to refine how data is imported, and the built-in logic ensures that only compatible records are merged. If you are working with large-scale wafer data and need to build a map or analyze binning trends, you can adjust selection to focus only on PRR records. If you need binning statistics across the entire production, enabling HBR or SBR records provides the necessary insights. Test naming strategies can also be customized. You can choose to combine test numbers and names, or select just one for uniqueness. To maintain data integrity, YieldOptiX includes a feature to correct errors in the test naming convention. Some characters, such as tabs or commas, can disrupt CSV file formatting. YieldOptiX allows you to replace them with underscores, ensuring everything remains properly structured. Your settings are saved automatically, so you don't need to configure them every time. Simply launch your files and start working with them right away. With these advanced features, YieldOptiX makes STDF data imports seamless, giving you everything you need to analyze and visualize data in JMP. Thanks for watching. Now, let's dive into using YieldOptiX to load STDF data into JMP.